For decades, a vast, mysterious patch of the Atlantic Ocean has haunted the imaginations of sailors and travelers, with countless tales of unexplained disappearances. This infamous region, commonly known as the Bermuda Triangle, stretches roughly between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, covering a huge, mythologized area. It is a place where ships vanish without a trace and planes seemingly drop from the sky, leaving behind absolutely no wreckage or distress calls. While stories have circulated for centuries, the modern mystique truly solidified when several high-profile incidents captured significant global attention. Perhaps the most chilling event remains the 1945 disappearance of Flight 195, U.S. Navy torpedo bombers on a routine training mission. Their flight leader reported severe compass malfunctions and growing confusion before all radio communication abruptly ceased, leaving the world wondering. Even the search plane sent out to find them, a massive PBM Mariner flying boat, vanished just as mysteriously shortly after taking off. Another significant loss, contributing heavily to the lore, was the massive U.S. Navy supply ship, the USS Cyclops, which disappeared in 1918 with over 300 people aboard, despite being one of the largest non-combat losses in Navy history. No wreckage, no bodies, and no definitive explanation were ever officially recovered. Naturally, such perplexing incidents immediately fueled the public's appetite for extraordinary explanations, leading to wild speculation about the region's dangers. Some popular theories suggest the area sits atop the legendary lost continent of Atlantis, whose advanced malfunctioning technology disrupts modern navigation. Other theories point fingers toward extraterrestrial visitors, proposing that unidentified flying objects regularly patrol the area and capture unsuspecting vessels. A more scientific, yet still debated, idea involves localized magnetic anomalies or sudden, violent shifts in the Earth's natural electromagnetic field. A compelling geological explanation involves massive pockets of highly concentrated methane gas trapped beneath the seabed, which could periodically erupt violently. If a large bubble surface, it could drastically reduce the water's density, causing a heavy ship to instantly lose buoyancy and sink without warning. However, the most logical and statistically supported truth points directly towards the region's famously unpredictable and incredibly severe weather systems. The powerful, fast-moving Gulf Stream current flows right through the triangle, capable of quickly erasing all evidence of any incident, including debris or oil slicks. Sudden, localized, and incredibly violent squalls can materialize almost instantly, catching even the most experienced crews completely off guard during transit. Furthermore, the area is also known to be prone to the rare, massive phenomenon known as rogue waves, which can swamp and destroy large vessels instantly. Beyond the environment, the triangle is a heavily trafficked international shipping lane, meaning a high volume of traffic naturally increases the overall probability of accidents. Historically, navigators also faced the tricky issue of magnetic variation, where true north and magnetic north show a significant discrepancy in this zone. The inescapable reality is that human error, miscalculation, poor preparation, or simple bad luck account for the overwhelming majority of reported incidents. When statisticians meticulously analyze the records over time, the number of incidents is not statistically higher than any other comparable, heavily trafficked ocean area. The key factor in the triangle's enduring notoriety is the media's strong tendency to sensationalize every single unexplained event that happens within its vague boundaries. Any incident that lacks an immediate clear cause often gets labeled as purely mysterious and is then folded into the ongoing local legend cycle. Major international agencies, like the U.S. Coast Guard, do not officially recognize the Bermuda Triangle as a uniquely hazardous geographical area requiring special warnings. Millions of travelers, carrying billions of dollars in commerce, move through this busy route safely every single year without ever encountering unusual problems. So, the truth is that the Bermuda Triangle isn't a supernatural vortex, but rather a powerful testament to the sheer, indifferent, and overwhelming force of nature. It serves as a crucial, if dramatic, reminder that we must always maintain extreme respect for the ocean's capacity for sudden and catastrophic change. Even with all the logical explanations now laid out clearly, the romance of the unknown ensures the legend of the Bermuda Triangle will likely continue to intrigue us.